Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be cleaning, possibly reorganizing my office because school starts in 6 days, and you guys know me if you've watched my vlogs and my cleaning videos. A messy house, a messy mind, a messy office, also a messy mind, and I kind of want to get it all set up for school because I do have 3 online classes, 2 in-person classes, and my office just is a dumping ground most of the time. I'm really trying to keep up with it and clean everything. It's just, I like organized mess because I know where things are, and it's just sometimes it can get overwhelming. But I know where everything goes, so I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. If you clicked on this video and you've made it this far so far, what are you doing? Let's get started. Let me show you some of the mess first. So this is like my desk setup. I am currently watching a YouTube video. The girl's name is like Annika Leaf, and I love her channel. Got my shoes over here. I got some pushings in this little chair. Cords on the ground, of course. This bookshelf is always a mess. And then of course there's my vanity. And that is kind of self-explanatory. They do have spots, I promise. I just need to kind of get it all cleaned off. I am thinking of putting this over here because this is blocking a very good outlet. Very good. A potential useful outlet. A useful outlet. But there's also one there. So if I put it here, it blocks that one. Then there's one under here that I use for my vanity. But this looks like it would go good here. So I might do that. So yeah, let's get started. What are you doing? The office is done. I am a lot happier with it. It is much cleaner. To me, it feels different, and I think that's all that matters. I do have my textbooks on my bookshelf because I will be using them in 6 days. I'm so excited for school to start. This is my desk setup. So this is my current desk setup. I do have my monitor here. This is an Apple monitor. It is an older one. And then I have my 2012 MacBook. I got my Pusheen mouse pad. It is a very large one. Love it. Got my paw print in here. So that turned out amazing. I do have like my nail polishes that I use because I multitask while I edit, as well as just kind of study and code and stuff like that. Over here I do have my vanity, and I'm much happier with it here because the outlet is directly underneath it, so I can plug in that as well as my hair dryer. My issue was all the outlets were being covered by things, and they weren't usable. I wasn't utilizing what I had. So there's a free outlet there. And then I moved my bookshelf over here. Yes, it's a little cluttered still, but I'll get to that just because I have so many books and lotions and candles that I kind of need to just figure out how to utilize the space better and where to put everything. And once again, there is a free outlet over here. I do want to put like a lamp here and get like maybe a couch, but obviously my office is not big. And I mean, if you can't tell, I love Pusheens. I have so many of them. They're like everywhere you look. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and joining me in this office makeover and organization and just getting ready for the school semester. I cannot wait. If you guys don't know already, I am going to school for CIS, which is Computer Information Systems. I'm hoping, dreaming, manifesting becoming a software developer, and this is just step one. So if you are interested in following me on this journey of going to school and all this stuff and studying and whatever, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Meow. Was it weird that I meowed? Why did I meow? Peace.